Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Stripe payment failures, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, identify the reason for the payment failure. Common causes include insufficient funds, card expiration, or incorrect information. Ask the customer to check their payment details for accuracy. Ensure the card number, expiration date, and CVV are entered correctly. Verify that the billing address matches the information on file with the bank. If the payment method is a debit or credit card, confirm it is not expired. Next, check the Stripe dashboard for detailed error messages. Log into your Stripe account and navigate to the Payments section. Look for the transaction that failed and click on it for more information. Review the error codes provided by Stripe to diagnose the issue. Common errors include card_declined or insufficient funds. If the card is declined, suggest the customer use a different payment method. Consider offering an alternative payment option, such as PayPal or bank transfer. If the error is related to your Stripe account settings, verify your account status. Ensure your account is fully verified and in good standing. Check if you have reached any payment processing limits set by Stripe. If you suspect there might be a technical issue, test your integration. Conduct a test transaction using a test card number provided by Stripe. This will help you determine if the issue lies with your integration. If the problem persists, consult Stripe's support documentation. Review their troubleshooting guides specific to common issues. You can also reach out to Stripe support for further assistance. Provide them with the error codes and details of the transaction. Lastly, communicate with your customer throughout the process. Keep them informed of any updates and potential solutions. This will help maintain trust and ensure a positive customer experience. Once the issue is resolved, encourage the customer to try the transaction again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.